Hi, I'm Charm Phoebe Magistral, and I'm going to introduce you to the topic of this speech. I'm going to discuss about the gender inequality and body shaming. For me, it's a big problem of today's generation. People in the world should fight gender inequality and body shaming together, because if not, a lot of people might end up dying or killing themselves because of the discrimination. It's a big problem of today's generation. A lot of transgender get discriminated because of their gender. Body shaming. If you are fat, you're not healthy. A lot of people get discriminated because of what they look like. So don't judge immediately, because what if that person is not mentally stable? What would happen if he think or she think that what you're saying is true? So he might or she might end up killing themselves because of what you say. So think before you judge other people. That's the problem of today's generation. They judge according to what they see, and they don't think about the consequences that will happen. That's the problem in our country. We like to judge without thinking the consequences. People in this country should change their mindset about belittling us female, body shaming, male belittling or underestimate us female because they think we're just female and we can't do the things that they're doing. That's why they discriminate or underestimate us. And that need to change. We need to fight together to change that kind of thinking. Fight the inequality and body shaming. Because if not, we will keep thinking that what they're saying is true, and we will get discriminated by a lot of people. So we need to change that, and we should fight together. Thank you.